Hi guys, today I am going to tell you how can you embed a YouTube video on your WordPress website. So just go to your posts. So if you have any posts or otherwise you can click on add new post and then on the left hand side just click on plus icon here and here search for YouTube. So here click on YouTube and then paste your YouTube URL. So I will paste it and then click on embed. So that's how you can embed your YouTube video on your WordPress website posts. So if you are using Elementor, so you can do it same as it is. Just on the widget section, search for YouTube and then drag and drop the widget section. Where do you want to insert it? Then just copy paste your URL in the link section. So here you can see. So that's how you can insert a YouTube video on your WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching this video.